Here it is, the 3rd of January in upstate New York, and it's kind of a rain ice. It's above freezing. There's no frost in the ground, so we are out working. Today's project is we got to clean out some swale to promote some proper drainage come springtime with snowpack and spring rains, so a driveway doesn't flood out or get washed away. And plus another project is going to be a nature trail in these thickets here, and we have to make sure we're not walking through a swamp. So here we go. As you can see, it's kind of a low area where the water pools up. We don't want to use the word wetland. It's just a low area where the water pools up. And there was a very shallow ditch or a swale. It's here. Just all of the organic material has kind of plugged it up and slowed it up. So what we're doing today is just taking just the material off to promote the water to go towards the road, towards the ditch, and that way the rest of this thicket area, a brushy area, will be able to drain to this lower area and be on its way to the road, and away it goes. So you can see here we moved that organic material, the roots that were kind of slowing down the drainage. Again, this is a relatively flat area, so the grass and the weeds really kind of hold things up, and already we're getting some decent flow, moving things towards the ditch, and then the ditch, it can send it on its way. We are up to where all the water was laying, pooling up. So far it's going really well. We haven't had any issues. We've just been opening up this swale that already existed, just kind of cleaning it out and promoting the water to drain. As I said earlier, it's just such a low area that just a little bit of sediment or vegetation in this swale area is going to really hold up the water shedding as it should. So it's going well. We're over half done. We're going to keep on going and hopefully beat the snowstorm that's coming. I mean, you can see the amount of water that was backed up before getting to the ditch and the road, and you can see it wants to go the right way now that we got the swale cleaned out. This water is shedding quickly, and that's what we're looking for. Get rid of the water, get it off the property, get it off the driveway, and it won't be so swampy after a rain or a spring thaw. So we finished up this job. It was 125 feet from the ditch to where we ended down there. And what we did is we again just took the organic material, the root base, some of the sediment out of this swale to allow the water to shed. It was about 3 hours total, start to finish. That's including loading, unloading. We used a Bobcat E20, which is the right size for this little job. Already the water has receded quite a bit from when we first opened this up and cleaned it out.